Hello guys, I'm Bo the Thai here. Today I will take you to see how we make Thai dessert. Which one is called Toddy Palm Cake, or in Thai we call Khanom Tan. This Thai dessert they make from a palm fruit, and I will make 2 episodes because this kind of Thai dessert take a long time. So I will make the first one how we prepare the material, and the second one how we wrap it, how we cook it before you go to check it. If you have time, I would like you to go check that I make the video before how I go to pick up primary palm fruit, because this fruit it take about more than 30 years to cultivate it. We cultivate them at our rice fields, so I would like you to go check it. Okay, I don't want to waste your time. Let's go to see how we make the toddy palm cake. I will pick up the palm mira fruit to go make Thai dessert. Let's see how they make it. This is from down from that tree. You can see they have many more up there. So I will show you. It look like this. It smell good. It's yellow inside. It's like creamy. To make the toddy palm cake, we need the pulp from the old toddy palm seeds that fall from the tree. The outside shell is relative and pulp inside has a deep yellow color with a strong scent and hard texture. To use them, we need to peel the shell out and take all the black color out. If you don't take all the black color, toddy palm will be bitter. After that, you take to clean the water and soak in the water, and take the palm seed to scrub in the colander for the palm meat to come out. You can look and scrub all the palm seed until they are done. It's done already. You will have a toddy pulp and seed. Then go to hang with the sheet closed. I hang only 3 hours. Actually, they recommend to hang overnight because to take the drain the water out and take the bitter from the palm pulp out too. The water is dripped out. Next, I take the toddy palm pulp to stir in the fry pan. I use the very low heat. After that, I go to prepare the coconut. I take the very old or mature coconut, then peel the shell out. Then cleaning until the coconut seed is very clean. Crack coconut. You will see the coconut meat inside, take to shredder. I use the original shredder machine, so I got the shredder coconut. We go to cut banana leaf, but it's the bad day. It's raining, so the banana leaf cannot warm, so we take it to at the fireplace to make it warm, so banana leaf will not break easily when we do banana leaf cup or banana leaf bowl to put the toddy palm dough that we make already for cooking, and clean the banana leaf. And the next video I will show you how to make banana bowl and how we add the toddy palm pop into the banana bowl and how we cook it, how the toddy palm cake look like. So let's keep go to the next episode. I hope you enjoy that you learn how we preparation to make the toddy palm cake and learn some our culture a little bit, and it might be different from another people making this kind of Thai dessert, because this one I make like my mom recipe, so it be a little bit it's like original style. So make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel by clicking the red icon below and give a thumb up if you like my video, and we can talk and we can share our experience or our living. And I would like to share about my garden as well. I like to plant some vegetables, some flower. And don't forget to follow the next video that how I cook them and how we mix them, because it's still a lot of work to go more. So I hope to see you next video. I have to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Bye bye.